Oh, I am so excited. Okay, I went on Total Home FX's website and look what I found. It's the mini for $29.95 free shipping. So let's have Ed help take it out of the box. I'll be right back.
Looking like crap.
Okay. Oh, I shouldn't hear. Okay, go ahead and lift it all the way out. I'm guessing USB. Little thing that says don't return to the store, which is fine. Look at that. Okay, let's have him open it. Okay. Okay, so on top it looks like we've got the screen, directions, remote, tripod, AC power. Do we know what those are?
They look like pads.
Oh, okay. I was reading on their website, and it's to put the screen up.
Double-sided sticky, maybe?
Double-sided sticky. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. So a control panel on top. And then if I'm not mistaken, it had more than one place for the tripod, babe. I want to hold it up and see.
There's one on the
Okay,
side.
one on there. And then one on the top, or on the bottom. Awesome. Okay. I will pause this and we'll just find an empty wall, and maybe we should do it in the living room so I close the blinds. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. This is the preloaded stuff. Okay, and then hit play. Once I figure it all out, maybe I'll do another video of just with the remote, but for today I'm just trying to show you guys a couple things. And right now I'm only going to show Halloween, but that is the Total FX Home Mini. Comes with a tripod, and right now we just have it playing on the wall. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to end this video. Hit like, hit subscribe, share with your friends, help me grow my channel, and hopefully you guys, if you purchase this, you will like it. So far, I love it. I just took it out of the box, so we will see. Have a great day, guys. Oh, and the husky says hi. Hit like, hit subscribe. Talk soon. Bye, guys.